Well, it's been hugely challenging in the respect that I'm working closely with a friend of mine in the consultancy. It's a design and a project management consultancy based in Gauteng. They've got projects this side in the Eastern Cape and in the Western Cape. The challenge now, we're about to roll out a project in the Western Cape, and then boom, the COVID-19 hit us. So it's got ramifications from the client side. Do they still want to commit? Are they going to commit? It's huge challenges. There's political ramifications as well, besides the costs, of factoring in the new legislation which have been put in place in terms of how do you recruit people, how do you ensure that medicals are done properly, PPE, et cetera, who's bearing those costs. I've had chats with the quite major players in the industry, professionals in particular. There's John Smallwood, there's Claire Deacon as well. And we've spoken about in brief, generally, about what the challenges are in terms of the new legislature for health and safety in particular. In my viewpoint, I see the health and safety officer taking a greater role, going forward. Because now let's agree, it's lives that matter. We can't be saying costs. And in my experience, I've seen the way people have just hammered on costs. Safety first now, guys. Safety first, and then everything else will follow.
It's been a very challenging time. I mean, obviously, a lot of our workforce works very close together. A lot of us are in very close proximity together in the actual construction phase. The office side of it, nothing majorly that much, because we have automated a lot of our processes. A lot of us are capable of working from home. So in terms of admin and all those kind of things, we didn't really struggle that much. But when it came to the actual physical construction side of it, we took quite a major knock. The months of April and May have been almost non-existent, with most companies only coming back towards the latter parts of May. A lot of for us specifically, our primary suppliers of material, like your bitumen and your aggregate and all of that, a lot of those companies weren't able to come back until recently, level 3, so on and so forth. So those who did not plan prior going into the lockdown got hit very, very heavily. Overall, I think our company has done very well to not only ensure that the people that work with us are well managed, well taken care of, and are completely safe during this time. Because like Prince said, the most important thing are the lives of the people that we work with, not the cost, the productivity or anything like that. And thankfully, because we managed all of that so well, we've actually come out of this, going into the stage 3 and all that, we've actually come into it firing pretty quickly. So overall, it has affected us, but I think we've managed it very well in such a way that we were able to navigate our way through at the end.